Well, hello there, lovelies. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be making Boniato Custard Porridge. It is a game changer in the world of porridge. If you have never had this before, brace yourself because y'all are in for a treat, okay? So first, you are going to wash, peel, and dice some boniatos. Not to worry, everything that I'm using and step-by-step instructions will be in the description box. So I'm going to blend this until it is nice and smooth. Then to my milk, I'm adding some cinnamon sticks and some cloves, and then I'll bring that to a boil. Now you're gonna add your water to blend your boniato. Or you can do half and half, milk, half water. But I'm using straight up water just to blend the boniatos here. Then you're gonna pour that in the milk mixture, let it boil for 15 minutes. Then go in with some custard powder. You're gonna pour that in and let this go for an additional 10 minutes on medium low. All right, this is gonna bring everything together. It literally gives this a really great texture, kind of like cornmeal or cream of wheat or wheat up. That kind of texture you're going to get. Guys, this is absolutely delicious. I tell you, my family enjoy this. I had to make this back to back, 2 days in a row. Can y'all believe it? You're going to sweeten with some condensed milk and serve however you like. That's it, guys. Remember to subscribe. And to check out the rest of the boniatos videos I have on the channel, I have boniatos dumpling, I have boiled and fried boniatos, I also have boniato cream salad. Oh my gosh, these recipes are to die for, guys. All right, so like, share, and drop me a comment. Bye bye.